Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chat heads in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down your screen. And here you can see the chat heads option. Now you'll just have to turn off the button of that option. Now whenever somebody will message you, the chat head will not appear on your screen. So that is how you can turn off chat heads in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.